Caravan Salon 2018. This is CS from Hamburg. They do Mercedes conversions, and I'm going to film this one because this is my favorite one of all. I bet it's the most expensive as well. Well, let's have a look at the details. 694 centimeters long, 202 wide, 343 centimeters high. Now the 202 wide on the outside, it's going to be a bit smaller inside. Price 137,183 euros. Kick-off is 80,400. This has got a lot of options on it, but that's probably what you'd want with a motorhome anyway. So, okay, look at the size there of the double floor. Pretty good. Anyway, let's walk up inside. The table is rather small. They do the same table in all their vans. In fact, that's the worst detail for me. The rest is great. Now, we've got up here a bed, pneumatic, and the ledge for it goes down there. Now, if you imagine you've in the bed, for example, you've got all of this space below it, so one person can be in bed and another person can be sitting down here drinking beer or whatever. So that is that's pretty positive. Now, question is, can you get your covers or can you leave the covers on whilst you're up here? And the answer is, well, possibly. There you go. Now, looking down from here, you see the lounge. You've got some space there for some bottles, right next to your electrics as well, so you can turn the heating on and off as you wish. And right, here's the kitchen, moulded, so that will be not siliconed in. You've also got an extension down there. Under it, of course, there is some storage, as you would expect, and there are two burners, which I think for a van of this nature is okay. Let's bear in mind it's only 202 centimeters wide on the outside. You've got some storage up there. You've got in here, you've got an enormous wardrobe. Above it you've got the telly. Now the telly's going to swing round, so it won't be there all the time. Otherwise you'd have to watch it in the shower. There's your bed. Bed seems quite low. That's because we're already raised quite a lot. There is the storage around the bed. You got stacks of space in there. And also down here, a little bit of light, window, and a lot of light from the skylight. Let's go backwards. Let's go into the shower. I'm not turning the light on deliberately. I want to show how light it is. Okay, now bear in mind the width once more. 202 centimeters external width plus the insulation. There's your toilet. There's your shower and your sink. Oops. Let's see. Quite a deep sink as well. Great use of space. Behind me, there's I'll show it in the mirror. You've got something to hang your shower onto, or shower head onto. You've also got a bit of storage for your soaps, and there you've got a drying line, so you can get your socks clean after you've been chasing around in the desert or something. Fridge here, same as I've got. Electric fridge. You've got here a little bit of storage. Now, remember the sink. Where is it? It's disappeared as if by magic. This cushion thing here, that's part of the bed obviously, so when the bed comes down, I think I might be able to make a bed out of that as well. Mind you, you've already got 4 in there. I also have a Rondo as well as the Rondo XL. 519 CDI Mercedes. Didn't say that, did I? Can't remember everything. Look at this enormous garage in here. You're going right back there. If you've got skis or something like that, for example, you can get them in. Gas bottles go in there. Of course I get a refillable one. I'm led to believe there are problems in putting refillable ones in by the manufacturers in Germany. I'll have to see if I can get more information on that later. Electric, toilet cassette, and you can see the height from here. Now you're not going to get under lots of bridges with that, so that's the reason to get something like the TomTom camper, which I just bought, and that'll warn you where the low bridges are. But I think it's best to go up than any other way. That is a first-class van in my opinion. Superb. I'd be very happy with something like that, and I think that's, from a construction point of view, it's very difficult to actually build. It's not the sort of thing that you're going to try unless you really know what you're doing, but it's great.